Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy if it's not launching or keeps crashing on PC, whether you're using Steam or the Epic Game Store. Follow each solution step by step, and your game should start working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. If you use the Epic Game Store, open the Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library. Locate Hogwarts Legacy. Click the three dots next to the game. Select Manage. Click Verify. Wait for Epic Games to check and repair the game files. If you use Steam, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Hogwarts Legacy. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair the game. Solution 2. If you use the Epic Game Store, open Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library. Click the three dots next to Hogwarts Legacy. Select Manage. In the Installation section, click the folder icon to open the game location. Open the Phoenix folder. Open Binaries. Open Win64. Right-click Hogwarts Legacy.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable/disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch Hogwarts Legacy if you use Steam. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Hogwarts Legacy. Select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. Open the Phoenix folder. Open Binaries. Open Win64. Right-click Hogwarts Legacy.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable/disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Launch the game again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Solution 4. Open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Click the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates. Install any available update. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and find x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Click VC Redist x64 to download it as well. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for the installation to finish and click Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for the installation to finish. Restart your PC. After restarting your computer, launch Hogwarts Legacy again. Your game should now open normally without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.